In this video, you'll learn how to create an insurance agent website using WordPress. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you can set up your website effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Look for the Site section, which is typically located at the top of the homepage. Once you click on Sites, you will be directed to a page that displays your existing sites or prompts you to create a new one if you haven't done so already. Next, locate the button labeled Create with AI. This option is designed to streamline the website creation process by utilizing artificial intelligence. After clicking this button, you will be taken to a new interface for your website. After that, look for the option titled Laying the Foundations. Clicking this will initiate the AI setup process. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so be patient while the system prepares to assist you. Once the AI is loaded, you should see a message that reads, "Make a website as unique as you." This indicates that the AI is ready to help you customize your website according to your specifications. Pay attention to this message as it confirms that the process is moving forward smoothly. Now, type in Create an Insurance Agent Website with WordPress in the provided text field. This is where you specify the purpose of your website, which helps the AI tailor its suggestions. After entering the text, ensure that you click on Enter to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking Enter, a confirmation message will appear stating that WordPress.com can create an insurance agent website for you. This is a crucial confirmation that assures you the AI is correctly interpreting your request. Next, you will need to choose the option presented above. Type in your selection and again click Enter to continue. This step is essential as it allows you to refine your website's focus further. After clicking Enter, a message will prompt you to decide what your website should be called. The site title is what visitors will see in the browser tab, making it an important element for branding. Type in the desired name for your site and click Enter once more to confirm. Now, you will be asked to provide a short tagline or description that summarizes what your website offers. This text will appear in search results and social media previews. Type in your tagline and click Enter to save your input. Following the tagline, you will need to click on Create My Site. This action finalizes your choices and signals the system to start generating your website based on the information you've provided. After clicking Create My Site, a message will display saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is in the process of creating your website. Depending on the complexity of your site and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You will then wait for the site to generate. This process might take a while, especially if your internet connection is slow or if the server is busy. Be patient during this period as the AI works to create your customized website. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the tutorial on how to create an insurance agent website with WordPress. Thanks for watching and see you soon.